our condensing cooling unit. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 16.5 inches, a depth of 19.75 inches, and a height of 11 inches tall. Coming to the front will be the compressor, and connected will be the return gas pipe along with the defrost and capillary tube. Also connected will be additional wires that's required to hook up this cooling unit. And on the side will be the breaker and power box. Coming to the back will be the condensing fan with the fan motor mounted on the center of the fan. Located on the back of the fan, we have the filter. Measurements for the filter will include 14.25 inches in length by 10.25 inches in height. Top of the fan will be a sticker containing additional information along with the 220 voltage that's required to run this cooling unit. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotusa.com for more information on this product.